In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image in Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you're searching for it through Google, look for the official Google AI Studio result and click into it. This will take you to the main workspace where you can create and test prompts using text, images, and other inputs. Once you're inside Google AI Studio, head to the chat or prompt area and click the plus icon. This button is what you'll use to add content to your prompt, and it's the starting point for bringing an image into your project. If you don't see it right away, take a quick look around the input area, since it's typically placed near where you type your request. After that, click Upload Files. A file picker will open on your computer, and from there, choose the image you want to upload. Make sure you select the correct file before confirming, especially if you have multiple versions of the same image saved. Once selected, give it a moment to upload fully so it's attached properly inside the workspace. With your image now uploaded, move to the prompt box and type your prompt. This is where you tell Google AI Studio what you want it to do with the image. For example, you might ask it to describe the image, analyze specific details, summarize what's shown, or help generate ideas based on the visual. Try to be clear and specific, since a better prompt usually leads to a better result. When everything looks ready, click Run. Google AI Studio will process both your prompt and the uploaded image, then generate a response based on your request. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image in Google AI Studio and used it with a prompt. If you're following along, you can repeat the same process with different images to test how the results change.